Alright guys, this is my bike, Trek 1400 1990 era. uh, it was upgraded a year later uh, with Campy Athena crankset with the bottom bracket and the Campy chorus seat post. Everything else is stock, and I'm trying to upgrade. I want to show you. I want to upgrade to a Campanolo Potenza brake shift levers and um, Campy Potenza front derailleur and Campy record super record rear derailleur and chorus chain. What else? Yeah, I think, and the brake and the cable set for the brake and shifting. And I wanna know, how do I go about doing that? Because you see, this one here has index shifter. Okay, I see the cable running from here down to the front derailleur and the rear one. With the brake shift lever, I'll be shifting from here by hand. I really need that feature. It'll help me out a lot. I don't know how to go about doing that. I'll be getting the cable housing and the cable kit for Campanolo, but how do I install that? I think I can do it for the brake part. Okay, once these ones go right to the brake calipers. How do I run housing? How do I manage it to go from handlebar to the front derailleur and the rear one? How can you guys help me out? How do I do that? You see this one here? With this bike, it has a hole in the frame and the hole for exit, the exiting the cable, so it runs inside the tube. These are only for brakes and has index shifter. So how do I install the cable housing and the cable for shifting gears? It's gonna be 11 speed Campy components, and this is 7 speed. It's got 7 speed cassette. How do I do that? Do I need to run cable housing like from here down to here, and then what, down here, run it down here like that all the way to the rear derailleur and the front derailleur? How do I keep the cable housing intact so that it won't move around or come off the frame? What do I need to keep them in place, keep them secure? How do I do that? I don't know. I have no idea. I have never done this before. Can you guys help me out? And obviously I will need to remove these, right? Because I won't be using index shifting. So this will have to go. I don't want to drill a hole on my bike frame. I don't want to mess it up. I prefer not to drill a hole. If it's absolutely necessary, let me know. I need some alternatives. I need solutions, recommendations. Another question. I was told by local bike shop that in order for the 11 speed Campy component to work properly, like the front derailleur and stuff, that you need different chainring. That you need to upgrade chainring. I forgot if it's the large one or the small one, or both. Which one do I need to change? This is a 7-speed. This is 1990 era crankset. It's got 53 teeth on the large one and the 42 teeth on the small one. I saw on the web store the Campy crankset for the 11 speed has 53 teeth and 39 teeth. Is that why it won't work properly? Because this small ring has higher number of teeth. It's a little bigger. It's a little bigger than the 11 speed Campy chain ring. Is that why it's not gonna work correctly or what? I have no idea. What other requirements needed to make it work? Is there something else I'm missing? Something else that I need to look for? Can you help me to find a chain ring if I need chain ring to replace? I'm thinking this large one should be okay because it has same number of teeth, 53 teeth, just like the 11 speed Campy chorus crankset. Only difference is that this has higher number, 42 teeth, and it is a 5-arm crank arm, not the 4 one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh, I saw the measurements like 172 millimeter, 172.5, and 175 millimeter. I don't know what they're talking about. What are those? Do I need to worry about that? How do you measure that? Where did that come from? I have no idea. I was looking through the chain ring sets online on Amazon, and in the description for the items they had measurements, number of teeth of the ring and millimeter, 172 millimeter and other sizes. I have no idea what they are. I need help on this and the cable housing. Please let me know. Thank you so much.